Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Western University's email account. So let's get started. So to log into your Western University's email account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Western University email login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page where you can just tap on the second option, which is how do I access email using my Outlook web app. And from there, what you can do is just inside your email section, you just have to tap on account and then tap on request and email alias. From there, you just have to tap on submit this request to the help desk. And now, in order to log into your account, what you have to do is enter your email address. So just enter your Western University's email address, and after doing that, just tap on next. And after tapping on next, you just have to enter your account's password, then you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Western University's email account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.